So I'm out here at a job today in Paddington for a customer who's just gone over to NBN HFC. Now, she had a tech come out here, I don't know, what was it, a day or two ago?
Yeah, Monday.
You came out on Monday.
Internet and NBN was down.
And he just sort of rushed around and basically disconnected her Foxtel. So she had no free-to-air telly. And just said, oh, look, you can't. What was the note he left you? Did he leave you some note just saying,
No, he just said, you don't need this cord. I didn't turn the television on.
Right.
So that night when I turned the television on, I couldn't get any free-to-air.
Okay.
And he was here for a while.
Yeah.
But and then he just said, I'm in a real hurry. I'm behind now. I've got to get.
Right.
He wasn't a not nice person.
He was a nice person.
Yeah. Just I couldn't.
Yep. No, so look, basically he's basically left here and disconnected her Foxtel free to air. So the client's got me to come out here today to try and work out what's going on. Okay, so
Foxtel and NBN didn't want anything to do with it.
Right, Foxtel and NBN said it's not our problem, even though this tech had disconnected her service that she's paying for. So I've been trying to work out what was going on. Now I'll take you out here and just show you what we found. So I've got it working, right, but what he's done, so this is what he's done, right? So he's had it connected as he should have, like that. But then there was this, so this wasn't connected. I've just put that splitter on there now. But basically all he needed to do was just join this up here, right? Bang to bang. And he didn't do that, right? So he just left all the cables disconnected. And now she's had to pay for me to come out and do something that would have been like a 2-minute, 30-second job, you know? So why I'm making this video today is because we're going to write a report for this customer. And Telstra, you're going to need to give her a refund for my call-out fee today because this is what your guys should have done, all right? Substandard work. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Telecom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.